Hey guys, I'm Oliver, and today I'm going to be showing you my 1960s General Electric 3rd generation box fan. This fan is 22 inches and it has 3 speeds. So now I'm going to turn the fan on for you guys. Unfortunately, this fan is missing its knob, so it is a little bit hard at sometimes to turn it on. Also, this fan's cage does rattle a tiny bit. We'll start on low speed. This thing is definitely a powerhouse. Even though it's still catching up, I can really feel the air. This is the first time I turned this fan on in about a month. Alright, so now I'll move it up to medium. There we go. That little like squeak or rattle sort of stopped there. But overall the cage actually hasn't rattled yet. So that's good. Oh, there it goes. Sort of vibrates off of the fan. What you gotta do is you just gotta like, oops, you gotta like put your hand on it. And as you can see, it stopped there. Okay, so it's doing really good. I actually like medium the most on this fan because it just really sounds soothing. It gets a lot of air out, not too loud, and probably now it's really rattling. It doesn't really, sometimes it doesn't rattle on the speed. This time it's rattling a lot. Alright, so now we'll kick in on high speed, and it rattles a lot, so I'll just rest my hand on the back of the cage. There we go. Doing really good. Blowing a lot of air. Alright, so now I'm gonna give you guys a spin. Yeah. Right now I'm trying to find a replacement knob on the internet. But yeah. This fan's got a pretty good spin down. I think it's because of the big heavy metal blades, and also whoever had it before me really took good care of it. I just got this fan. So yeah. As you can see, and there it goes. Alright, so if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.